Hey YouTube, welcome to Daddy's Kitchen. Today we're cooking red beans and rice Cajun style. Stay tuned, don't miss it. Hello YouTubers, welcome again to Daddy's Kitchen. We're talking red beans and rice today, Cajun style. Let's talk about the ingredients. Yellow onions, bell peppers, celery sticks, green onions, shallots in Louisiana, garlic, smoked sausage, 2 pounds of red beans. You can't forget the Tony Satcheris, great for seasoning, and also black pepper. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we want to do is be sure that we wash our beans so we get a colander or a strainer, whatever you want to call it. And we just want to make sure our beans are nice and clean. If there are any that are damaged or don't look up to par, just pull those out. Just clean them real good. Okay, now we're ready to put these in the pot. Now as you can see, we have a 16-quart pot filled with water about 3/4 of the way up. Just want to place our beans in there. You'll notice that the water was already boiling, but your water doesn't have to boil, doesn't have to pre-boil. Go ahead and put the beans in there. The reason you need so much water is because the beans will swell. Once the beans swell, you'll have just enough water for the entire meal. All right, so as you can see, our bell peppers were pre-washed, and we'll just go through and make nice size pieces, and we'll just throw those in the pot. With the seasoning, you can never have too much seasoning, but for 2 pounds of beans, I'm using 2 bell peppers. As you see, my onions are a little bit small, so I'm using three onions, okay? And I'll go ahead and finish prepping, and we'll come back and see the final product. All right, now for the onion, we want to slice relatively small pieces. You don't want big pieces of onions, but it really doesn't matter because you won't taste it hardly in the food anyway. So those are nice sizes. Slice those through. Slice them going and coming. All right, so we'll take a break and you'll see the finished product. All right, so let's cut our celery. Celery and our red beans will add a nice touch, a nice flavor. And we'll continue with this prep and be right back. All right, YouTubers, we're now looking at our garlic. And here's how we want to handle the garlic. Take a spoon. We'll press it. And then we'll come back and do the slicing. Now you'll notice that for garlic, there's usually an outer layer that we don't need. So we strip that off. Be careful not to take too much of the garlic with it. So we take that off. Once again, the spoon, slice her up. Take the spoon and slice it up. Let's try one more. Garlic. Taking off the ends. Clean it up a little. Press with the spoon. We'll slice it. We'll be right back. All right, YouTube. We have our smoked sausage, and we want to slice them thin. This smoked sausage cooked in with the beans will taste great. Welcome back to Daddy's Kitchen. We've prepped all of our ingredients in preparation for our red beans and rice. So we have 2 bell pepper, 3 onions, 6 celery sticks, 3 packs of smoked sausage. This equates to 18 links, about that size. We have our garlic, 3 cloves, and also green onions. At this time, we want to take the sausage and place it in the skillet. The reason we cook the sausage is so that it gets nice and brown. And once it gets brown, we want to drain the grease off of the sausage and then scoop it into the pot. All right, we'll finish up all of our sausage prep and then we'll add everything to the pot. Oh boy, that smells good. So as I said earlier, you just want to brown the sausage because the sausage is primarily already cooked. So once you get a good brown on it, you want to drain the grease off and just add to the pot. Okay, YouTubers, one more item. This is smoked turkey wings. This is pre-cooked. All you need to do is wash it and just add it to the pot. This will give you an excellent smoked flavor into the wings. Okay, YouTubers, I just added in a smoked turkey wing. It's going to give you excellent flavor into your beans. As I said earlier, this will cook down for a couple hours. No rush here. Let it cook. You see all the ingredients there: bell peppers, celery, green onions, smoked sausage, and then also that smoked turkey leg. So what we'll do is cover it. All right, welcome back to Daddy's Kitchen. Look at that. See how that rich, creamy gravy on that red beans and rice, sausage in there. And you'll notice that the turkey wing has begun to fall off the bone. So all that meat is going to mix in with the red beans and rice. Okay? Remember earlier we told you that we're using Tony Chachere's seasoning. So we're going to add a little bit in there. Okay. That should be just about enough. I did a little taste test earlier and I noticed that with the different vegetables in there, we didn't need as much Tony Chachere's, so it provided some seasoning on its own. But always we want to add hot pepper as well. Just hold tight. We'll get the hot pepper. Just a little bit of hot pepper, or black pepper rather. Okay. Stir that in. Ah, that's delicious. All right. Now notice for the last couple of hours, ever so often we'd come in and we'd stir the beans. So the beans are not sticking to the bottom of the pot. So we're all set. So now we're going to take our rice. All right. So normally we just lay down a bed of rice. We come back with our beans. See your sausage, vegetables in there, the smoked turkey. That's how we serve Cajun style red beans and rice. All right, now for the moment we've been waiting for. Cajun style red beans and rice. Now, red beans and rice are not complete without Louisiana hot sauce. I picked this one up 2 weeks ago, habanero flavor. On the bottle it says 1 drop is all you need. So let's do a taste test here. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I'll have more videos up on more Cajun style Louisiana cooking. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.